Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to verify your Kraken wallet. Verifying your account is a crucial step to ensure the security of your funds and to unlock higher transaction limits. Kraken offers a tiered verification system, meaning you can choose the level that best suits your trading needs. Each tier requires specific information and documentation, allowing you to gradually increase your account's capabilities as you progress. To begin with starter verification, you'll need to provide some fundamental personal information. This includes your full legal name, your date of birth, and your country of residence. This initial step is quick and straightforward, typically taking only a few minutes to complete. Once approved, you'll be able to deposit and trade certain cryptocurrencies, offering a great starting point for new users. Moving on to intermediate verification, you'll need to provide a government-issued identification document. This could be your passport, driver's license, or a national identification card. Additionally, you'll need to submit proof of residence, such as a utility bill or a bank statement issued within the last 3 months. This tier significantly increases your deposit and withdrawal limits, allowing for more substantial trading activity. Finally, Pro verification is tailored for professional traders and institutional clients who require the highest limits and advanced features. This level involves submitting comprehensive financial documentation, which might include proof of income or business registration, along with completing a detailed financial questionnaire. While more involved, Pro verification unlocks the full potential of your Kraken account, supporting very large transaction volumes and specialized services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.